this one. Come on, 1, 2, 3. Stand up.
As is.
No, you cannot touch me.
Absolutely, we can.
Yo, I'm not letting you touch me. I'm not okay with this. You can't arrest me.
Hold on.
You're already under arrest.
No, I'm not under arrest. I will get kicked.
Welcome back to emergency behavior. What started as a hotel disturbance quickly turned into a tense standoff when a guest refused to leave after disabling a smoke detector and ignoring repeated warnings from police. Stay until the end to see how a simple hotel dispute led to handcuffs.
That's not a disturbance.
You caused
And you're in
multiple
my
disturbances.
space.
I am partially in your space, but you're also not cooperating.
How am I supposed to operate?
I just told you. I gave you 2 towels. I gave you plenty of reasons. All right, we're at the point where I don't know. We either have to go in and grab her or I don't know.
Come back, clear out for you.
Say what?
Everybody sign complaints.
While I'm taking a shower.
Let them double check.
Sounds
like they are.
Alright,
Yeah.
so disabling the smoke detector is a class A misdemeanor, so we can't go here and
Do we know if she did that though?
She did.
For sure.
100%. I found it under the bed. With the
Oh,
bandage.
no. I'm taking a shower.
I handed it to the maintenance
Well,
or the truck
yeah.
driver.
What's her
Yeah,
name?
this is the
She,
best.
that was part of the issue. Her alarm was going off.
Right. So she disabled it? Let me ask her about it. Hey, did you disable the smoke alarm? Was it the smoke alarm?
Yeah, because I put it off.
You know that you can't do
I
that,
didn't
right?
disable, I knocked it off. It's literally not, it's not disabled.
No, you know you can't do that,
I
right?
don't know what I did. All I did was like, someone please come in and fix
So
it.
wet.
And they didn't.
You know you
I
can't
know.
disable the sound,
I didn't do it on
smoke alarm.
purpose.
Okay, then come out and talk to us.
Stop the alarm.
Well, here's the issue.
Sarah, this is my boss. She's gonna talk to you, okay?
I'm in the shower. I need 10 minutes.
Well, we're not giving you any more time. It's been 41 minutes I've given you.
I need 10 minutes.
Sarah, here's the deal. The hotel would like you to leave.
I need a refund before I leave. I need to know why. To get a refund, I need to know why exactly I need to kicked out. She said it's because I'm taking a shower. I thought that's my right. I need it on paper.
So here's the deal. They can choose to sign complaints against you for dismantling the smoke detector because that is a Class A
I was trying to
misdemeanor.
turn it off, and I called them to let them know. I asked them why it's going off.
Okay, but you did disable the smoke
I did,
detector
but
and you
I
just
was trying
told
to
us
fix
that.
it.
So if
I
they
did
want to
not
sign
fix it.
complaints against
Dude.
you, it is a Class A misdemeanor.
No,
So
no, no, no.
here's our
No.
choices. You can get out of the shower.
I didn't
You
disable
can get out of the shower.
anything. I will prove it to you.
You can get out of the
No.
shower or we can go ahead and arrest you.
You can't arrest me.
We can arrest you.
No, you can't. You need
Why
a warrant.
not?
And a reason why I'm being
Actually,
kicked out.
we don't need a warrant. You committed a crime, which
I
is a
didn't
Class A
commit a
misdemeanor.
crime. They did that.
They did what?
They did that to the alarm.
You just said you did it
I
to the
didn't.
alarm.
I
You just said you did it.
I called them.
So do you want to get out, get dressed, and leave
Yeah, I
with
like
your
I said, I'm
dignity,
cleaning.
or would you?
Yeah, you need to be patient.
No.
What?
You need to be 10 minutes patient.
We've already been here for 10 minutes. My officers have
Yeah,
been here
and I
for
paid
40
this
minutes.
And I need a refund. So work on that.
Well, they don't have to give you a
don't waste your
refund.
time.
They don't have to
Get
give
my
you a refund
or
because
I'm
they
not gonna
destroyed their
leave.
property.
I'm not going to leave. Like that fire alarm, they did
Tried
that.
for like at least.
Why was that fire alarm going off because of the shower?
You have 2 minutes to get out of the shower until we're coming in there.
You cannot touch me.
Sure
Because
can.
that's criminal.
Sure
You
can.
know, you need a reason why I'm being arrested.
You disabled a smoke
I
detector.
did
It's a
it.
Class A
They
misdemeanor.
did that.
That's not what you just told
No,
my partner.
I said I called them to say why is it going off? Is the building on fire?
Yeah, then you disabled it
No,
because
I
it was
didn't.
still going off.
No, I didn't.
They didn't come in here and rip it off the wall.
Dude, they tried to fix it. It must have fell off. It's not disabled, I'm pretty sure.
You got 2 minutes.
No, you cannot claim that when they did that.
You got 2 minutes.
No, were you here?
You got 2 minutes.
Were you here?
You got 2 minutes.
You can't. I'm sorry. If you're going to do a video activity like touch me, when you have no
Sarah.
reason, I'm being peaceful in the shower.
Sarah.
The hotel room that I paid for. The alarm is not.
Sarah.
They did that to turn it off themselves.
It's much easier if you just cooperate with
I am
us.
cooperating.
No, you are not, ma'am.
I'm allowed to take a shower.
We're gonna come in there and get you. You understand that, right?
Yeah, you need to get on paper why I'm being kicked out for taking a shower.
We'll give you
Get
paper,
it on
arrest
paper, because I need
paperwork.
a refund before I leave.
Yeah.
I need it on paper.
How long has she been here?
Oh,
No. Like,
staying.
check in.
I'm gonna say I know what for this today, obviously.
Like, you guys don't want to get involved.
Today was the first day.
Like, you're breaking the laws, but
By yourself?
if there's no legit reason they're kicking me out, like,
Actually, let me ask you.
yeah, this is illegal, and you know it. And you can laugh about it like all the other cops, and it's like, I don't know.
They're
I
allowed
have
to
no idea.
refuse service to anyone. Alright, come on, Sarah.
We gave you 2 minutes. You gotta come
No,
out.
I need,
Here's your towel, okay? You gotta come out.
yeah, I'm cleaning it.
Okay.
No.
Alright, Sarah. Do you
No.
want to put on clothes yourself?
Yes,
or do you
I
want
will.
us to? Do it now.
No, you can't touch me.
Yeah, we can. So do it now.
Don't touch me.
I said,
If you, unless you want to go out in like
Turn
that,
off your cameras. Give me privacy, because I'm not going to tolerate
we're
this.
not leaving the room now.
we'll give you your
Stand
bag.
in the corner.
No, stand in the corner. Lady, stop telling me what to do. It's not gonna happen.
Okay.
Maybe if you ask
No,
nicely,
I'm
you
not
might
going to
have
let
done
you film me naked.
it. You don't understand. I'm gonna arrest you in handcuffs naked and
We'll
then get
we'll
you
arrest you
arrested.
naked and you will be.
That's not gonna be how it
Oh,
goes.
okay.
We've given you
You're
plenty of
racist.
time.
And hateful.
Do you want us to give you a shirt, or you want us to cuff you as is?
No, you cannot touch me.
Absolutely, we can.
Yo, I'm not leaving until I get
going
a
on too
refund.
long.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Yo, you cannot.
You want to pull that up?
Pull them up.
Let go of me.
Nope. Pull it up.
Let go. No, the
Pull
cuffs
it
are
up.
too tight. I have to pack my
We
stuff.
can't. First off, unless we can fix them when
We
she
can
stands
fix
No,
up.
this one,
I
but
have
we
to
can't fix
pack
it.
my
You have
stuff.
to get up.
Get up. Come on.
Let
You
go.
want us to help you
Grab
up?
that arm. I'll grab this arm. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Stand up. Good job. Put your feet up. Come on. There you go. Now you're
Listen,
dressed.
okay, I need to pack my stuff.
Doesn't work that way. We got it for you. Okay.
No,
So this
I
one's
will
kinda
get
loose,
my
though.
stuff.
This one's loose because it's all the way through, so you
Can
can't
you
double
stop?
up. So make it.
What are you doing?
We're trying to fix your handcuffs. Would you like us to? Then stop talking for
No,
like 30 seconds.
let me pack
So
for
this
2
one you-
seconds.
Would you like us to fix your handcuffs? Yes or no? Yes or no?
I want to pack my stuff. How can I pack myself with my handcuffs on?
This one through.
I think
No,
you
it
went through
hurts.
it all the way through.
So you
This one
can't
hurts.
double.
No, because it's
Which
like,
one hurts?
This one.
Your right hand?
Okay. We're gonna
We're trying
fix it.
See, what you did is actually tighten it yourself because you were so uncooperative and resisting.
Okay, cool. Can I pack my stuff?
No.
No, but you can watch us pack it for
No, I'm not okay with this. You can't arrest me.
Hold on.
you. You're already under arrest.
No, I'm not under
You're-
arrest. I will get kicked out, but I want a refund.
You're
Because I'm not
already
being
under arrest.
No, I'm not. I'm not causing a disturbance to anyone. I was taking a shower.
You are already under arrest.
No, I did not do that. The guy did that when he was trying to turn it off.
Okay, we'll note it in the report, and when you go to court, you can tell that to the judge and jury.
No,
You're under arrest.
no,
Yep.
don't. I need to pack my
So
stuff.
go ahead and put
No,
your shoes
I have
on.
a lot of stuff I need to pack.
You can watch us pack it.
No, you can stand there. You
Shoes on.
can.
Put your shoes on. Come on. Put your shoes on. Or you can go out barefoot.
I have my shoes over there.
Which ones?
I need to wear my socks. Let go of me so I can change and pack my stuff.
Well, you should have.
You're
done
under
that
arrest.
When I was
We're
in the
not
shower?
letting go of you.
Okay, that's fine. But I need to pack my stuff.
You can watch them pack your
Yeah,
stuff.
she's not gonna wear shoes.
Make sure we
Well,
grab all your
let me
stuff.
watch them.
That's fine. Turn around.
Don't touch me. Do not touch me.
just
This
grabbing all your
isn't
stuff.
You're being pushy.
Yeah,
You're being violent.
Yeah, we've only been here an hour. Just
No,
because
you're
you
not.
didn't
And
know.
why am I being arrested? Write it on paper.
We just told you.
Trespassing and tampering.
Trespassing. I didn't do that.
Put your shoes
Put your
on.
shoes on.
I want those shoes on.
Which shoes?
You're not getting those. We're not putting
about you
socks
those
on you
ones
so
on?
you can put gym shoes on. Or just put gym shoes.
Do you want gym shoes and no socks?
That's your options. Gym shoes with no socks or sandals.
Or sandals?
I'm not putting socks on you too after I just dressed you. So you can decide. What would you like?
I'm gonna get out.
Which one?
What
Or
would you
no
like?
shoes?
And
What
I'm
would you like?
no, you cannot arrest me.
What would you like?
You can't arrest me. I will get out, but I need a refund and I need a reason. You need
Do you want me to go
you
with
need to
you?
give me a reason. Wait, I have to get my toothbrush.
We're gonna get
I'll
every
get it.
single thing.
No!
I'll get it.
No, I have to get it.
We'll add resisting too if you'd like.
I'm not resisting. I need to get my stuff. You're not being legal. Okay, I know the game's going on, and yeah, you guys are great actors, but you're not being legal. You can't touch my stuff. You can't arrest me for this. When I'm in the shower, and you're filming me naked. Like, no, everyone here will be sued. I have a right to take care of my own stuff. No, I want my stuff.
Yes.
I always do stuff.
Do you think the hotel wants any of your stuff? Honestly.
No, I lose my stuff all the time.
We'll make sure we will definitely not lose it for you.
No, but you my room. Do you know where all my stuff is? Do you ever do that? No.
We're pretty good at searching
No,
rooms.
I want to be there. I want to.
You gave up that right when you decided not to leave on your own accord.
No, that's not fair. And you know you're being unfair, but I was in the shower.
He asked you to leave.
And yeah, what's the reason?
Then he gave you 10 minutes.
What's the reason? Sir, can you please write a reason for why I'm being kicked out? He's the man. Look, don't push me. He's right there. Don't push me. You cannot push me like that. He's there. I want a reason by him because you know what happened. And you lied
we will talk to him.
You lied to me.
About what?
About saying he wasn't here.
I didn't know who the fuck you were talking about.
That man. She knew who I was talking about.
Go ahead.
She said he was here. I want to talk to him.
We'll talk to him.
I want to talk to him too.
We'll talk to him.
He was there. I never talked to him. I talked to him all day.
Can you give me a flashlight so she...
After more than 40 minutes of patience, officers gave the guest one final chance to leave peacefully. Instead, she continued arguing, refused lawful orders, and was ultimately arrested while insisting she had done nothing wrong. If you enjoy real police body cam footage, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more cases every week.